Thanks for logging on to the Refined Fitness blog. My name is Pete and I'll be your personal trainer today. I've got Colin here with me, and today we're going to be working on an advanced band workout for you. It's going to be a full body workout. We're going to go through the importance of each step. Okay, let's begin. Colin's going to hold on to this end of the band for me. And our first exercise is going to focus on our lower body and our back. So what we're going to be doing, getting in a nice squat. We're going to be bringing our back in a nice slide. Focusing on keeping the pelvis forward as we come down and up. So we'll get Colin to give this a shot. Good. Make sure you focus on keeping his chest out as he pulls back. Good. When we do this, we're going to be doing about 8 to 12 reps. And then we'll move on to our next movement. Great. Okay, so our next exercise, a little more complicated, but again, working our back. We're going to be taking a step back behind ourselves, like a speed skater motion. So we're going to be coming over, going in a fly. This is the first movement. Before we advance to a little more complicated, we're going to be coming down and back. So we'll get Colin to do this motion. Perfect. So similar to what we just did, it's just got a little extra movement. Once you get comfortable with this, we can add a little bit of a twist. So Colin, now I'm going to get you to do your step back and open up to the camera. Good. And back. The focus is this, it keeps constant tension to all our muscles as we do these different movements. Good. Again, we're doing 8 to 12 reps. Perfect. Good. Okay, our next motion is called the Robin Hood or the bow and arrow. As you'll see, it looks similar to someone pulling a crossbow. So, the first motion we get, pretend we've got a triangle behind us. We've got 2 points. We're getting a nice squat. We're opening up to our 45-degree to our farthest point in the triangle. We're bringing our elbow up, and we're opening up our chest. See this motion? We keep our elbow up, we stabilize the scapula. Come back to the other side, go to the other point of the triangle, and up. Perfect. Let's try that out. And boom. Good. Pull that crossbow back. Perfect. Now get a little bit further step. Deep. Open up. Good. Nice 45 degrees. Good. And once we get comfortable with this motion, we'll advance it just a bit. So when Colin comes back, he's going to bring his left arm across his chest. Perfect. Activate those chest muscles. Good, other side. Good. Make sure we get nice and deep in our 45. Good. There it is. Great. So our next exercise, again, is going to focus a little bit on our back. So what we're going to be doing, we're getting in our deadlift position. We're going to have our palms down. This is the first exercise where our palms are going to be facing towards us. And what we're going to be doing, we're just going to be coming back and up. And back and up. So this is the basic movement. Once you get comfortable with this, we'll show you the next advance. Yeah? Nice deadlift position. Good. We're focused on keeping our chin up while we do this. Good. Pulling back. Now if you're doing this with a partner, you can have them hold just like me. Or if you're doing this on your own, feel free to wrap around a pole or a machine nearby, and you can do all these exercises on your own. Good. Then advance to the next movement. We're going to do a little bit of curtsy. Our back foot's going to come behind us, and we're going to do the same motion. Good. Great. Again, all these exercises are 8 to 12 reps. Good. And our last exercise is going to be complete right foot hold that movement. We'll advance it just a bit with a bigger step. Come right across the body. Perfect. And a little more progression. You want to make this a little more difficult. A nice jump step in between. Perfect. Speed it up. Get that heart rate going. There it is. Perfect. Good work, Colin. Thanks for signing on for the Refine Fitness blog. My name is Pete, and that was your advanced band workout.